Now, you already know how powerful the mind is. But what if I could tell you how to get your mind on your side in like seconds? Like the next time you're suffering from stress or limiting beliefs or negative or bad habits. Follow one of these tips from the law of attraction pioneer Abraham Hicks and just watch them melt away. Now, if this is your first time here, please make sure that you hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. Hi, I'm Natalie Ledwell, and today I'm going to show you one of the most powerful ways to tap into abundance, according to the law of attraction pioneer Abraham Hicks. Now, Abraham is a soul collective that is channeled by Esther Hicks, and Abraham says that one of the most important things to let the flow of abundance into our lives is to enter into a state of receptivity or receptive mode. And it's basically an energetic state which we can learn to attune ourselves to at any time. Now, essentially, it's the state of feeling good. Now, the more that we focus on the things and experiences that make us feel good and feel relaxed and enjoy life just as it is right now, feel grateful and blessed, the more opportunities for experiences like that will continue to flow in. So in other words, the more that we focus on feeling into the abundance that is already present in our lives, the more the abundance will continue to show up for us. You know, like attracts like on the energetic level. This is the basics and foundation of the law of attraction. And one very powerful way that you can practice feeling good right now and align yourself with the energy of abundance is by practicing segment intending. So you're going, what is segment intending? Segment intending is a form of manifestation that helps us to be conscious about what it is that we want to create by focusing on a particular segment of our life. So Abraham Hicks says segment intending is just about being aware of yourself and your surroundings and what's coming next. It's a redefining by you of the intentions that you hold in this second. So in other words, it's simply the process of resetting, taking the time to set a clear intention for what it is that you want to experience in this moment. Your intention is a very powerful creative force. And when you couple that intention with an open vibration of allowing and receiving, you amplify the power of whatever action that you're taking in that moment to make it happen. Okay, for example, let's just say that you get in your car and you're driving to work. Now, your intention for this segment could look something like, having a safe, free-flowing commute to work that's truly enjoyable. Then you get to work and you switch your intention to a different segment that may be to listen to the thoughts and the ideas of your colleagues and to come up with an action plan that's going to lead to a positive outcome. Then when you get home from work, your intention could be to simply enjoy your food with your family and have a relaxing meal while you're bonding and connecting with your family. So by setting intentions for each segment before we move into them, then we're able to better attract what it is that we want instead of just attracting by default and just going through the motions and just, feeling like a leaf on the wind. So why is segment intending so powerful for manifestation? Well, it forces you to make the most of this moment and then to align your thoughts and your energy and your emotions with what you truly want, which is basically your conscious awareness. And it allows you to create even more powerful moments in more moments of your day. And it really helps you to focus your intentions on the here and now and to recognize that here is where the power is. So through deliberately intending that you're reaching for the thoughts and the emotions that feel best and purposeful in designing your day, segment by segment, you are able to positively influence each different segment, each different moment, each different situation that you're in. It doesn't have to be every moment, but if there are some important moments and you're aware, then you're able to set these intentions. So how can this help you manifest more happiness and abundance into your life? Well, as I mentioned before, the more that we focus on the things and the experiences that make us feel good and feel relaxed and enjoy life and feel grateful and blessed, the more opportunities for experiences like that will continue to flow in. So when you're living on autopilot, or if you're simply surviving and going through the motions, it's almost impossible to manifest more of what you want because you're living in a state of lack, or you're living in a state of unawareness and not in tune with a higher vibration. You know, imagine having a bad day over and over and over again, where one segment of your life keeps blending into the next, and the negative emotions and the negative energy of one segment seems to affect the next one, and then the next one, and the next one, and so on. I mean, can you identify with that? I mean, this is why I highly encourage you to each morning create your intention for the day. Then from there, as you move through your day, you can define your intentions for each new segment as you go through the day. So if something unexpected comes up, you can just take a moment, take a few breaths, go for a walk, pet your dog, do anything that you can to realign yourself with your higher frequency emotions and with your intention. Now, another effective way to realign yourself is to listen to a guided meditation. So if you haven't tried any of the 4 powerful guided meditations that's included in my Limitless You meditation pack yet, then I highly encourage that you do it now. Now, it's specifically designed to erase the limiting beliefs that quietly poison you with self-doubt and fear and negativity, so that you can freely attract abundance into your life. Plus, it comes with a beautiful and fully printed PDF workbook that will be your sidekick throughout your Limitless You experience. Now, in it, you'll find a series of eye-opening exercises that are related to each guided meditation and each part of your 4-hour video training. So I'm leaving a link in the comment section below so you can try it out today. Now, I hope that these tools help you to manifest more abundance and happiness and peace and more of everything that your heart desires. Again, my name is Natalie Ledwell, and thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.